In this video, I'm going to show you how to plot a straight line graph. The first thing you need is a table of values. I'm going to pick a range of x values, starting from -3 to 2. This is going to give me enough coordinates to be able to plot so I can see the shape of my line. Okay, so now I have my x values. I need to substitute these into the formula, into the equation of the line that I've been given in the question. So y is 3 lots of x subtracts 5. So if x is -3, we're doing 3 times -3 is -9, subtract 5 is -14. If x equals to -2, 3 times -2 is -6, subtract 5 is -11. 3 times -1 is -3, take 5 is -8. 3 times 0 is 0, take 5 is -5. 3 times 1 is 3, take 5 is -2. 3 times 2 is 6, take 5 is 1. Okay, you should also be able to see a pattern in the bottom row of numbers here. They are all increasing by 3. So once you have filled in your table, these are just the pairs of coordinates that you need to plot. So we need to plot the coordinate -3, -14. Remember, a coordinate is written in the form x, y. Then we need to plot the coordinate -2, -11, -1, -8, 0, -5, 1, -2, and 2, 1. I'm just going to move over to the table, the graph on the right hand side. Now usually your graph will have been labelled I'm going to take each square as 1, so it's going to be 1, 2, 3, etc. And then also in the negative direction, -1, -2, -3. And similarly in the y-axis. Each little square is going to represent an increase of 1. Once you have set up your graph, it's now ready to be plotted. Okay, so I need to first of all plot the coordinate -3, -14. Now, just because my graph is smaller, it's not going to be able to fit that -14 on, so I'm going to ignore the first 2 coordinates. So I'm going to now focus on this coordinate over here. So I need to first of all plot -1, -8. Well, -1 on the x-axis is, starting from the origin, is 1 to the left, and I need to move down 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That takes us to this here. You can put a little cross or a little circle. Now I need to plot the coordinate 0, -5. 0 is from this origin, and moving down 5 to the y-axis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, -2, now we're in the positive x, so 1, -2 is here. 2, 1, 2 in the x, and 1 positive on the y is over here. Now that is enough points for me to draw a straight line. So you need to get yourself a ruler and join up these points. Okay, so if we do it through here. So I've now plotted the line y equals 3x take 5.